So I'm at Venice Rookery, one of the smallest bird sites I've been visiting, but it's very productive. And we'll see what happens here. So this place consists of a big pond, almost circular, and in the middle of that pond there is a small island that you can see behind me here. And since there are alligators in the water, there are not that many mammal threats to the birds, so they have chosen that small island to nest on. And right now we see the beginning of the nesting periods, and it's the great blue heron that are trying to make their territories well known to the others and put the nests together. So this could be actually a real nice opportunity. And it's very close, so we'll stand in eye level with the tripod and take hopefully good pictures. So let's see what happens. So the island isn't centered in the pond, as you can see. It's more to one side, and that makes it, well, you can walk around the pond. The distance will vary a bit, but you will see lots of different attitudes in the same bird. You can choose front or left or right, and that's a good thing, I think. I personally want to have the green background and not the sky background, except for sunset and sunrise. I think those silhouette shots you can get here are amazing. Probably not happening tonight, but we'll see. So right now there are mostly great blue herons nesting here. Further on with the smaller birds as well as other birds. The display that the herons do, they clap their beaks together, make a clapping sound, and stretches out and make themselves very big to impress the other males. And that's just a territorial display. So just as the light almost went out and the ISO went too high up, and there was no hope of a sunset, a small stream of light from the setting sun went through the clouds, and I think I got some nice shots there. Oh, if this had been a complete cloudless sunset, that would be very, very nice. But I think I will stop for this evening and get out there tomorrow morning early. Hopefully there's a sunrise. And I see you then. Well, good morning. It's 6:30 in the morning and I'm at the Venice Rookery once again, waiting for the sun to go up behind me. And there's a gap in the clouds that you might see that could be a nice sunrise. But at the same time, there is a cold front coming in from the north, and it is said to pass just over here around 7. So I have seen some flashes, yeah, you saw that maybe, in the north. So we'll see what happens, if it's going to start raining or if I'll be able to get some photos. I hope for the latter, but I think it will start to rain. We'll see. There is still a chance to get some nice photos here, but there's already been 2 rain showers hitting down here, and there are flashes, lightnings, not flashes, lightnings in the background, so we'll see what happens. Not raining the whole time, so there are some opportunities to take photos, and also this shelter gives a shelter from the rain, taking pictures. Well, I didn't get a good sunrise with a soft warm light on the birds, but I got something equal. It's good. Wind and rain, and I hope, sincerely hope that the videos and the pictures will show the rain on the birds. I think that will wrap up this video from Venice Rookery, and if you like it, give it a comment, thumbs up, consider subscribing if you not already are. So, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.